Want to start a profitable business with no money? Here are 10 proven ideas for teens and beginners in 2024. Idea 1. Start a service-based business. Offer skills like graphic design, writing, or social media management. Idea 2. Launch a dropshipping store. Sell products online without holding inventory. Idea 3. Create and sell digital products. Design ebooks, printables, or online courses. Idea 4. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Monetize through ads and affiliate marketing. Idea 5. Offer virtual assistant services. Help businesses with administrative tasks remotely. Idea 6. Engage in affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions on sales. Idea 7. Start a tutoring or coaching business. Offer lessons or advice in your area of expertise. Idea 8. Resell items. Find products at thrift stores or garage sales and sell them for a profit online. Idea 9. Participate in gig economy jobs. Offer services like pet sitting, delivery, or freelance gigs. Idea 10. Create a subscription service. Offer exclusive content or products for a monthly fee. Want more details on how to start these businesses and make them successful? Click the link in the description to grab my ebook, Millionaire Secrets, and learn how to start your profitable business with no money today.